In this video, let's learn about the superior and inferior mesenteric veins. The first one is the superior mesenteric vein. The superior mesenteric vein is the major tributary of the portal vein. It is formed in the right iliac fossa by the union of the small veins that are emerged from the ileocecal region. So this is the superior mesenteric vein. These are the small jejunal and ileal veins. So it is formed in the right iliac fossa by the union of the small veins. Those are emerged from the ileocecal region. It runs upwards that accompanies the superior mesenteric artery. For a video on superior mesenteric artery, you can click on the I button. And this vein lies at the right side of the artery. This superior mesenteric vein terminates behind the neck of the pancreas by joining into the splenic vein to form the portal vein. This is the portal vein and this is the splenic vein. Now let's talk about the tributaries of the superior mesenteric vein. The main tributaries are by the veins that correspond to the branches of the superior mesenteric artery. So these all are the branches of the veins. Those accompany or those correspond to the superior mesenteric artery. The right gastroepiploic vein. As the name indicates, the gastroepiploic, the inferior pancreaticoduodenal vein that corresponds to the inferior pancreaticoduodenal artery, a branch of the superior mesenteric artery. So this is the inferior pancreaticoduodenal vein. These are the tributaries of the superior mesenteric vein. Superior mesenteric vein drains the venous blood from the small intestine, which is rich in nutrients, and the large intestine up to the junction of proximal 2/3 and distal 1/3 of the transverse colon, the stomach and also the pancreas. So remember, the superior mesenteric vein drains the venous blood from small intestine, large intestine, that is up to the junction of the proximal 2/3 and the distal 1/3 of the transverse colon, the stomach and the pancreas. So the branches of the superior mesenteric vein, this is the inferior pancreaticoduodenal vein, the right gastroepiploic vein, this is the middle colic vein, the right colic, the ileocolic, and these are the jejunal and ileal veins, and these branches corresponds to the branches of the superior mesenteric artery. And now let's talk about the inferior mesenteric vein. The inferior mesenteric vein is the upward continuation of the superior rectal vein. So in this diagram, this is the inferior mesenteric vein and it is the upward continuation of the superior rectal vein. So this is the superior rectal vein. This inferior mesenteric vein ascends behind the peritoneum, that is lateral to the inferior mesenteric artery, and then it passes lateral to the duodenojejunal flexure, and as it lies on the left side, it passes anterior to the left renal vein to terminate by joining the splenic vein behind to the pancreas. So remember, it passes laterally to the duodenojejunal flexure and anteriorly to the left renal vein. And finally, it drains into the splenic vein. You can see the draining of inferior mesenteric vein here. It may sometimes deviate and drain into the superior mesenteric vein or its junction within the splenic vein. This is the junction and this is the superior mesenteric vein. And the tributaries of the inferior mesenteric vein corresponds to the inferior mesenteric artery. This is the left colic vein and these are the sigmoidal veins. And you can remember easily, as the superior mesenteric vein drains the right side, it has the right colic artery and the ileocolic, the middle colic, and the left colic artery is a branch of the inferior mesenteric vein. So you can see it here. So guys, this is all about the superior and inferior mesenteric veins. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. And do look at some of my recent videos and playlists.